Toothaches can be excruciating and disrupt daily life. Many people seek quick fixes or medications to alleviate the pain. However, there's a natural solution that's been used for centuries: clove spice. Clove spice contains eugenol, a potent analgesic and antiseptic compound. Eugenol numbs the area, reduces inflammation, and kills bacteria that can cause infection. This makes clove spice an effective natural pain reliever. The properties of clove spice are remarkable. In addition to pain relief, it has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling and redness. It's also an antimicrobial agent, effective against oral health issues like gum disease and bad breath. To use clove spice for toothache relief, mix it with water or oil to create a paste. Apply the paste directly to the affected tooth or gum area using a cotton swab. Alternatively, add a few drops of clove essential oil to a carrier oil and apply it to the affected area. Another method is to make a mouthwash by steeping whole cloves in hot water. This reduces inflammation and kills bacteria in the mouth, providing fast relief from toothache pain. When using clove spice, start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed. For the paste, mix a pinch of clove powder with a few drops of water or oil and apply it to the affected area 2 to 3 times a day. In conclusion, clove spice is a natural and effective way to alleviate toothache pain and discomfort. Its potent analgesic and antiseptic properties make it a great alternative to over-the-counter medications and prescription painkillers. Whether looking for a quick fix or a long-term solution, clove spice is definitely worth considering. Share your experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest videos. Thanks for watching.